Hi students, coming to the next topic in database management system is introduction to DML. So in the previous video I explained about the data definition language. Now let us see what is DML. DML is a data manipulation language. So for data definition language, to define that language you need to create table. You use the commands like create, drop, alter, rename and truncate. Now what are the commands that are used for data manipulation language? Let us see. So the main use of data manipulation language for selecting, inserting, deleting and updating data in database. So to manipulate the database, we need to select or to insert, delete or update. So it is used to retrieve and manipulate data in database. And one more thing here is data manipulation language performs only read-only queries. It performs on only read-only queries of data. Okay, so this is about data manipulation language. Let us see what are the different commands that are used in the data manipulation language. The one thing you have to be remember for manipulation language, we use select, insert, delete and update. So whenever you ask which type of language is create, means you have to tell that is a data definition language. If it is rename or truncate, those are all the data definition language commands. Whereas data manipulation commands are select, insert, update, delete. So these four are the data manipulation language. Let us see one by one. So what is the first one? So first one is the select command. So mainly the use of the main use of the select command is it is used to retrieve data from database. So the main use of the select command is it is used to retrieve data from database. So in the select command we use different clauses. So the clauses that are used in the select command are, so the clauses are where clause. So if you want to select any query, if you want to select a particular record, you have to mention the condition from where you have to select, means from where which condition has to be satisfied. So the select command will use different clauses. Those clauses are where, group by, having clause, order by, order by and as clause. So these are the different clauses that are used in the select command. So what is a where clause will do? So where clause specifies which row to retrieve. Okay, specifies which row to retrieve. What this group clause will tell? The group clause will select, it is used to arrange the data into groups. Use it to arrange data into groups. And what about the having clause? Having clause is used to select among the groups defined by the group by clause. It selects among defined by group by clause. Among group by clause. Then what about the ordered by clause? So the ordered by clause specifies an order in which to return the rows. Specifies the order. in which order the rows has to be appeared as an output. So that will be told by the ordered by clause. Whereas as clause, it provides an alias which can be used to temporarily rename tables or columns. It gives just alias or rename tables. So these are the different clauses that are used while you are writing the select command. So let us see what is the syntax for the select command. So we are just discussing about the select in data manipulation language. So let us see the syntax. Select star from table name. So this is a syntax. Suppose if you are written select star from employee. So in that employee table, it returns all the rows. So complete table will be appeared on the screen. Means it returns all the rows in the table. So the star indicates all the rows that are present in the table that has to be selected. So that this is the syntax for the select command. Now let us see the next command. What is the next command? So next is the insert. So let us see what is the insert command will do. So insert command is used for inserting data. It is used for inserting a data into tables. You can add one or more records to any single table. If you want, you can add one or more records. You can add one or more records into a single table at a time. Okay, in a single table. Now let us see what is the syntax for the insert command. So insert is a command that is used in the data manipulation language. Insert into, where you have to insert? So you have to mention the table name. Okay, so insert into table name. So here you have to mention the what values, means you have to insert in which field, means in which attribute or in which column. So you have to mention insert into table name, column name 1, and you have to mention the data type. Suppose if you are taken an ID int like that, and column name 2, data type, up to column name n, data type. So close the columns only up to here. That now up to here I created column names, column 1, column 2, up to column n. So now I want to insert values into that column. Values. Okay, so you have to mention the value 1, value 2, up to value n. Okay, so this is about the insert command syntax. So you are inserting a values into that particular record, so particular table. So let us see the next command. So what is the next command? So before going to that next command, I'll just give a simple example for this. What is the example? Insert into, so the employee table what I already created. So the starting, so first is employee ID of data type int, comma, employee name of data type varchar, and city data type varchar 20. So these are the, now I am inserting the values 1 ABC Pune. So what it, now the table look like this. So first column is employee ID. So this is only the integer value you have to enter. Next employee name. Next the city. So here the employee ID, the value I inserted here is a 1. And the employee name, the value I inserted is here is a ABC. And for city, I insert the value as Pune. So this is how you have to insert command is used. So now let us see the next command. So the next command is the update command. So the third command is update command. So we have seen the select command, insert command, and coming to the next data manipulation language command, that is update. So what this update command will do? It modify the record present in existing table. So already the table was created, so and the values are also inserted. Suppose if you want to update the record for the existing table, you have to use the update command. Now let us see what is the syntax for this update command. Update table name. So which table you have to be update, that table name you have to mention here. And now set column name is equal to value where condition. So this is the syntax for the update. Now let us see the example for this. Then you will understand how this update command will update the table. Update. So now I want to update the employee table. So whatever I created, employee, update employee table, set salary is equal to, so I want to set the salary 20,000 to the person where E name is equal to ABC. So I want to update the employee. I have to set this, I want to set the salary to that person where E name is ABC. So previously I have inserted these values. Now here one more column will be added, that is salary. So here suppose I inserted salary also. Salary varchar. So not salary is only integer, int. Okay, so not. So here previously I entered some value here, or I didn't enter anything. Now I want to update the person who is having the ABC name. So here update employee, set salary is equal to 20,000. You have to set salary as 20,000 where rename is ABC. So here ABC is in the employee table. ABC is the E name. I want to set salary 20,000 to this ABC person. So this is how you have to use the update command. Now coming to the last command in the data manipulation language. So that is the delete command. So the fourth one is, let me take another paper. So the fourth command in data manipulation is delete command. So what is the use of delete command? It is used to delete some or all records from the existing table. So the delete command is used to delete only the records that are present in the table. So it delete all the records or only some, if the condition, if based on the condition, it deletes only the some records, or it deletes entire records in the table. So the syntax for this is delete from table name where condition. Okay, this is a syntax. Now let us see the example for this. Delete from employee table where employee ID is equal to 001. So suppose the table consisting of employee ID, employee name, age. Suppose 001 ABC 32, 002 PQR 35, 003 XYZ 36. So this is a table of employee. So now when I use this command delete from employee where employee ID is equal to 01, it delete this complete row. Now the table, the new table will be consisting of only two rows. (002) PQR 35, 003 XYZ 36. Okay, so delete from employee where employee ID is equal to 001. Suppose if you write just delete from employee without mentioning the condition, means if he does not write the where condition, then all rows will be get deleted. So if you write only delete from employee, if you didn't mention the condition, it deletes all the rows in the employee table. Now the table becomes like this without values, because I write the SQL query as delete from employee, means it deletes all the rows that are present in the employee table. So this is about the different data manipulation language commands. Thank you.